My friends, it's Coach Vigue. These are 10 stretches for men 50 and older. First things first though, look at these socks. Help keep me warm in these cold Tennessee winters. This is all about releasing your back, your hip flexors, getting your core back where it needs to be so it doesn't atrophy from all the sitting and bad habits that we accumulate over the years. Make sure you share this with somebody 50 and older, or heck, somebody 30 and older. Anybody can do these. Click that thumbs up button. And let's begin with the child's pose thread. Everything loosening up, everything getting mobility back to your body where it needs to be. Hands and knees position, fingers are open wide, elbows are in. Inhale, reach the right arm up as high as you can. That's up to you. And then slide this arm through. It's called thread the needle. Huge stretch for your middle back. Remember, use control, modify these as you see appropriately. The knees can come wider if you want, and you can add movement to the thread, the needle. Oh, the shoulder, the low back, everything getting that nice release. Now bring the arm through, and of course, do both sides always. Other arm up, and bring it through. The diagonal helps accentuate that stretch down the shoulder. Use this hand here to press, to add whichever movement you see fit. You can hold these stretches as long as you wish, adding that nice dynamic mobility to them. Coming up to hands and knees position for cat-cow. Really articulating and opening up your spine, and getting movement in the shoulders. Inhale, round the upper back up, tuck the chin. Elbows are in, so we got this, we don't want this, we want this. This is the preferred. The tree behind me agrees. This is cat stretch, stretching that spine. Toes and fingers are loose, and then flow right into the cow. Drop the stomach down, draw the shoulders back, eyes slightly ahead. Find where your body exists in these stretches right now, and then practice daily, and they will expand. Inhale, round up, cat. Drop the stomach down into cow. Should feel real nice. Okay, take the knees back. Lower down onto your forearms. It's called the Sphinx Pose, designed to help fix your posture, open up your chest, draw your shoulders back. Your elbows are under the shoulders. Fingers and toes are loose. You can play around with a little bit of movement here, sliding the hands forward, full stretch, and then walk them back and lift. You want to go a little higher, take the elbows down, bring the hands off the mat and lift. And then stretch. Elongate the spine and the lower back. Breathing some life into your body. Lift it up. You can even place the hands around the shoulders and come up into cobra. Elbows hugging the ribs, squeezing the glutes. And then we lower down. Now press it back to downward facing dog. This deserves a shirt tuck right here. As it says on the Coach Vigue yoga mat, tuck in your shirt. Get that leaf off the mat, quick. So pressing back to down dog. Fingers are open wide. Long stretch. You could bend your knees if you like, or take it back to child's pose. What you want is to loosen the upper body. Let it flow backwards to stretch the whole back side of your body. Those compressed lower back muscles in your lumbar area. You want to breathe life into them. Let the blood flow. 2 more breaths. You can pulse it forward and back. I think this is number 4, right? All right, going to number 5. Bring your right foot forward, drop your left knee down. We have a low lunge, sliding this knee back, activating your hip flexor and working your quad. Could you get off my leg? All right, fingers can be down. You can place your hands here. Or if you want to add a little more spice to this, place your hand here or forearm and bring this arm up and sway to the right. So we're getting a beautiful side bend. Oh, loosening up the sides. What's happening behind me? What is it? As you stretch, hinge slightly forward, activate that back leg. And lots of breath. Always breathing into the stretches. Switch sides. Hold it or add side bend. all the way down. We get that compression right here. I believe this is number 5. All right, quick shakeout. Shake everything out. Make sure I'm not missing anything here. I wrote down these amazing stretches. All right, we're going into the pigeon stretch. So we come back to down dog for just a moment, then bring your right leg, the leaf, there's the leaf on my leg. Take the right leg forward, slide the left leg back. You could also bend both the legs if that's too much. Take it here. Our pigeon is a constant struggle to keep this foot moving forward. When you're ready, hands are down. Gives me a chance to admire this beautiful sock. And we're gonna rock it back and forth. No matter where you are, add a little sway side to side. Massaging your glute. Oh no, are they gonna start cutting down trees? That wasn't part of what I wrote down. It's just like Florida all over again. Well, no matter, keep it going. Here's the swaying pigeon, opening your glute and your hip flexor. And then switch to the other side. Flashback. All right, we got that sway, releasing pressure right here, psoas, groin, hip flexor. The years go by, this tension piles up. They're like calluses. I like to massage them out. All right, bring those legs around, shake them out. Always take time to shake out the body, keep it very loose. The next one is called an extended saw, doing a little Pilates variation in here to really open up your sides, your rotation. What the heck am I sitting? Okay, so take the heels to the edges of your mat. You can bend your knees if you like. Gonna take the arms out. Actually, take them like this. This is a secret one, don't tell anybody. We're gonna hinge up and over this leg. Maybe you're right here, maybe the knee is bent, that's fine. But reach up and over. The secret sauce of Pilates mat is always lengthening. You want long, lean muscles. You're gonna inhale back to the center, turn. Now you got this other leg right here, say hello. Look at that sock. And then hinge up and over. An extended saw. Inhale, you can take your legs wider depending on your rotational mobility, how you can move through that. Inhale, fill those lungs. Stretching the backs of the legs, the hamstrings. Whew. There's that beautiful Tennessee wind. All right, now moving onto our backs. We have 3 more. Bring your head down, or place a pillow, or bring the head and shoulders off the mat. A nice stretch here. I don't even know what it's called. I call it a frozen single leg stretch. You're gonna pull your right knee in. From here, you have all these options to loosen up your back, your hip flexor, your glute. You can draw this leg side to side. You can make circles, wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. It's a great stretch. It's very accessible. You could do it in bed, before you go to bed at night, when you get up in the morning. Integrate these stretches effortlessly into your routines throughout the day. If you're in the office, maybe you could find a space, put a mat down, maybe the Coach Vigue mat, and do these stretches. You'll come back to work energized, focused, and feeling so much better. And then other side. This leg slides down, or bring the foot flat. Did I say that right? Yeah. Bring the foot fat. Oh, did you hear me, tree? Oh, tree, think you funny, Coach V. Funny, Coach V. That's how my dad used to text. I hear. We hear. Where you? Good. Side to side. Toes and fingers are loose. Lots of breath pouring into the body. We're going to take this up a notch. We have 2 left. Going to go into the figure 4 stretch. Take your right ankle on your left thigh, right arm in between. Head up or down. Use your right elbow to press into that knee. Classic, effective stretch. So good. Again, do it in bed. You can rock it side to side or extend this leg up. The glutes getting a lot of work here. the hips, the lower back, and then you're going to feel it in other places as well. Always love my figure 4 stretch. Okay. Now, before we go to the other side, we're just going to combine these two. Finish strong into a full twist. Bring this knee back in, and at your own speed, bring this leg over. Lying spinal twist. You're gonna lay wherever you are. That's the nice part. Your body weight and gravity are gently pulling you down. Reach this arm out. You want to add a little bit more. Take this arm around, and then this one, don't miss this one. This one's incredible. You're gonna open it all the way up. It makes the day worthwhile when you could do this, when you could open up your upper body all the way around. You can extend this leg out as you get more proficient. This is the way, my friends. This is the way forward. Just keep expanding. Again, practice these as long as you like. You can take 1 or 2. Just work on those. All right, figure 4, other side. Left ankle on the right thigh. Pull the cap down. Pull that down right there. Elbow into the leg. Press. All these neat little key points you can do to ratchet up the stretch, to make it more effective, right? We want to get more bang for our buck. And pull towards you, press into the leg, add a little movement. You can always bring that head down. That's up to you. Lots of breath. Let the breath flow through every part of the body. It's a wonderful thing. Okay. No time like the present. Full twist. Finish strong. Here's that knee in, and then bring it over. Find your place in the twist, my friend. Add the extra movement if you wish. Oh my goodness. Really pulls this shoulder back into its rightful place if it's been rolling forward. So good, I'm going to do it one more time. Do it with me, my friends. Which one's been your favorite so far? Which stretch? Or which one is your favorite? Because that, my friends, is 10. If I'm wrong, I'm going to look at this video and kick myself about 46 times. Oh, bring those knees in, a little extra credit. How do you feel? Does that feel good? 50 and older, 40 and over, 30 and over. Really, I'm in my 50s now. I wake up, and I'm so glad I have these kind of stretches to go to each and every day to open up my body, make me feel loose and mobile and strong and capable and happy. If this workout helped, please click that thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, and there's the notification bell up there. Never miss one of my workouts. And most importantly is think of your friends 50 and older who definitely need stretches. We watch them walk around, they're tight, their posture is bad, their energy levels are really low, they have trouble moving, they're grunting a lot. I have a good friend of mine, we'll meet at Perkins sometimes, and he has such a hard time getting out of the booth, and that was 20 years ago. When he was in his 30s, it was a big struggle. So you want to keep your body loose and mobile and lubricated, those synovial fluids moving through the joints. I could say more, but the proof is in the stretching. It's me, Coach Vigue. So glad you got to train with me today. And make sure you don't miss out on this. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.